Let's imagine that the weather is very bad, it's raining and it's really cold outside, and you say, alright, so I'll stay home and I'll make myself some coffee and I'll read books. You can say, I'll make a day of it. I'll make a day of it. So it means you will do it the whole day and it will be a big deal. So it will be a long activity. So something special. So you can say, I'll make a day of it, or you can say, I'll make a day of reading. So we'll make a day of doing something. And my question for you guys, today, or maybe today in the evening, tonight. So what are you gonna do? And it's gonna be really special. So you will spend lots of time doing this. Let me know in the comments. So I'll make a day of doing what?